What happened to Tosa dogs during World War II when Japan was being bombed by the United States?
No food for dogs. People people need more food. So Tosa was too big for this community. So after the war, only about 15 dogs in Aomori Prefecture, which is northern part of Japan, and 2 or 3 Tosas in Kyushu area. So total of less than 20 Tosas are left.
And none at all in Kochi?
No.
Interesting.
No Tosas in Kochi at that time. But again, Mr. Nakajima started dogfighting again after the war. So what he did was bring back the Tosa from Aomori Prefecture.
I see.
And soon we heard the news. Tosa came back from the northern part to the Osaka. So the governor of Kochi asked the Osaka people to let us have one good Tosa, which is Komino. Name is Komino. And then we received several more from Aomori.
I see.
And now we probably have 350 to 400 Tosas in Kochi.
I see.